welcome to Frankly Speaking. Kangana ji, always a delight to meet you.
Thank you.
अब तो 1 साल हो गया है आप मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट.
जी,
जर्नी कैसी रही आपकी?
जी, एक्चुअली आई वाज थिंकिंग टुडे कि हमने जो शपथ ली थी वो रेन सेशन में ही ली थी, अगर आपको याद हो तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ होल ईयर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ न्यू चेंजेस एंड स्पेशली जिस ईयर में आप शपथ लेते हो उसमें बहुत ज्यादा पार्लियामेंट सेशंस होते हैं, डबल बजट सेशंस होते हैं, सेशन आफ्टर सेशन, बिकॉज आपने जो भी टाइम लूज किया होता है जस्ट ऑल कम all at once. So I didn't naturally expected it to be so demanding as a job. When I was offered, I was told that maybe you have to odd some 60-70 days you'll have to attend the parliament, and the rest of the time you can do your work. And I was like, that
sounds reasonable.
Lekin as we know, now that it's a very demanding.
But honestly, लोकसभा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, आपने चुनाव लड़ा, आप लोगों के बीच में गई, तो आपको लगा कि ये सिर्फ उतना सा काम है, ये राउंड द क्लॉक काम नहीं है?
नहीं, जब मैं लोगों के बीच भी जा रही थी तो we were always told about what we have to speak, the local issues. जैसे कहाँ पे टनल का प्रॉमिस है, कहाँ पे केंद्रीय विद्यालय का प्रॉमिस होगा, कहाँ पे we don't have a kind of a worker background ना, हम लोग किसी हर एक का अपना अपना बैकग्राउंड होता है. एंड आई थिंक पार्लियामेंट की खूबसूरती भी वही है कि we get a variety of people from the diversity and from the many walks of lives. So I have an artistic background. I am an artist, and in that capacity, I thought I would be contributing to the parliament. I'm also the committee member of information broadcasting, and I find myself quite involved there.
Has it been a good experience? क्योंकि आप जिस रास्ते पे जाते, जैसे आप आर्टिस्ट बनी, आपका चॉइस था और आपने अपने आप को डेवलप किया, एंड along the way you got more and more opportunities, and आपने एक अपनी जगह बनाई. Politics में आपको क्या लग रहा है?
See, Navika ji, I express myself freely, and I think nobody should bully me into not doing so. So I think
are you bullied?
Yeah, of course.
As a politician?
I mean, it's the most abused corner of the world. You are so abused all the time. There is no right way of doing anything. You're abused all the time for whatever you do. See, coming from any job or and I would like to bring this to everybody's notice that is why not many young people volunteer to do this today, because it is the most abused profession ever. Okay, and I use the word volunteer because you actually volunteer to do this, and when you forget like enjoying, like it's been a jolt for me to understand the harshness of the reality of of grounding reality of the issues that people have. It affects you when people come with a lot of issues, चाहे वो राज्य सरकार के हो, चाहे वो पंचायत के हो, because that person is crying in front of you, and so far you've had this background. अच्छा, आपको problem है, like the way I've stood by my family, my friends, whoever I meet, आपको छोटे से बबल में लगने लग जाता है कि you're very gifted and you can fix problems and you can do things for check. And then you are in a place where now you're assigned to do it, but like most of it is not is not my scope of work. I can't be concerned with it. और फिर हम लोगों को वो आदत है ना कि कुछ तो बोल देते हैं ना, हाँ हो जाएगा, don't worry, or they know that they're not going to do it. They know it's not going to happen. But when you come from a background where you've made everything happen, where you take a lot of pride in doing things, in delivering
end to end,
and we have those as like I'm a filmmaker. I run a set, being a producer, writer, actor, director, and I'm like, I did this. And there's a tutu in Ali, and it's not your scope of work, and all that talk about that you get a Sansad Nidhi, but there are MPs who have like most of them have like 3 to 4 Vidhan Sabhas, and they have like 3 to 4 MPs. I have like 17 Vidhan Sabhas. So each Vidhan Sabha gets like 15 to 20 lakh rupees or 15 to 20 lakhs. Even in that, whatever opposition is misleading people, you can go, आप किसी भी सरकारी वेबसाइट पे जाके देख सकते हैं. We are not supposed to be, there's a long list of things that we're not supposed to give to. We don't give, actually. It comes to the collector and it directly goes to the panchayats, but most of the things we cannot give to, we cannot help, and disaster relief is one of those things. We can't pay to disaster relief.
तो क्या लगता है आपको? ऐसा लगता है कि आप मजबूर हैं, कर नहीं पा रही, या आपने जो समझा था सिचुएशन वैसी नहीं है? क्योंकि बाहर से तो ऐसे लगता है एमपी बनना, वाह क्या शान है, क्या पावर है.
Yes, it is true कि एमपी बनने में बहुत पावर है, बहुत ताकत है. और खासकर मेरा इतना हाई प्रोफाइल करियर रहा है, द काइंड ऑफ प्लेस आई हैव एंजॉयड. आज आप देखिए, जब मेरा नाम अनाउंस हुआ था तो लोगों ने क्या कहा, मंडी कैसी, मतलब फ्लैश बिकने वाली मंडी. तो इसका मतलब कहीं लोगों को ज्ञान भी नहीं था मंडी के बारे में. उससे लेकर आज वहां पे एक गांव में त्रासदी होती है, पूरा देश डिस्कस कर रहा है. सो दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ attention one can bring to a small, sort of a constituency. It's not a small, but I mean a small state, constituency in a small state. So I definitely think that हम लोग मजबूर नहीं हैं. Like we need to get rid of this word seva. We need to support people. I think that's what I signed up for. I need to support people who are willing to build this nation with me.
तो सेवा नहीं करना चाहती हैं?
No, सेवा is for बुजुर्गों की सेवा, जो लोग लाचार है सेवा. But the most of the people that come to politicians are more like 99.9%, and that all the MPs would agree is for money. Is for money.
तो गरीब हैं लोग, उन जो डे टू डे जीने के लिए, बच्चों की एजुकेशन के लिए, घर में खाना बनाने के लिए चावल आप दे देंगे राशन में, सब्जी भी खरीदनी है, दाल भी खरीदनी है.
That is
उनके
true.
वो चैलेंजेस हैं.
That is true.
And उनकी सेवा नहीं होनी चाहिए.
नहीं, I think सेवा is a little, I think सेवा बुजुर्गों की होनी चाहिए, जो पिछड़े हुए हैं उनकी होनी चाहिए, जो स्पेशली एबल्ड है उनकी होनी चाहिए. सबकी ही सेवा करेंगे तो who will build this nation? I think what I signed up for as a politician is that to empower people, and that is precisely in my control, that I can in the parliament through जो भी लोग अगर मुझे दिखते हैं, चाहे वो मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में कुछ वर्क पीछे रह रहा है, सबको जो है एक्सेस, चाहे वो बिजली का हो, चाहे पानी का हो, चाहे वो 4G 5G का, so all these things I can be concerned with. But at the same time, I think we need a sort of a society where we are concerned with nation building also.
पर इतनी बाढ़ आई हिमाचल प्रदेश में, अब लोगों की सड़कें नालियां टूटी हुई हैं, तो वो 5G से क्या करेंगे? पहले तो जहां बैठे हैं, जहां घर है, आपको वो जगह ठीक चाहिए, और बाढ़ में सब कुछ बह जाता है. तो एम्पावरमेंट तो वो कहते हैं ना कि इट इज द चेरी ऑन द केक. पहले तो हमको नीचे के उससे गुजरना है,
देखिए, see please don't misunderstand me. I said जिन लोगों को कोई they have some disadvantage, जैसे उनका disadvantage हो गया ना, वो बाकियों से पीछे रह गए, so we should serve them जिनका disadvantage हो गया. But essentially people should use politicians to empower themselves, so that's exactly what I'm saying. But this has been my experience in 1 year.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah. See, Navika ji, enjoying is, what is enjoying? Essentially what is enjoying? You can enjoy a picnic. You can enjoy listening to music. When I used to work on a film set also, there was a lot of struggle, whether you're learning horse riding or you're learning new accent or fight, or even like sitting through prosthetics, long hour of work. So to say that, you enjoy yourself, I think enjoying is overrated. if you enjoy yourself, there is no productivity. You tend to kill time. In that context, am I enjoying myself? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm enjoying myself.
आप क्या करना चाहेंगी कि एक एमपी की लाइफ कैसी हो? व्हाट इज योर डेफिनेशन? कंगना रनौत की आंखों से, कंगना रनौत के दिल से आप क्या समझती हैं कि आपको करना चाहिए?
No, I think I've done a lot of work in the 1 year. In the last 1 year, the kind of work I've done is tremendous. I challenge anybody कि पिछले हिस्ट्री के सब एमपीज को निकाल के बताओ, 1 साल का नहीं, उनका कलेक्टिव वर्क लेके आओ मेरे पास, उनका कलेक्टिव वर्क मेरे पास लेके आओ हिमाचल के एमपीज का, और मुझे बताओ कि उन्होंने कितने प्रश्न जो हैं वो लोकसभा में उठाए हैं। ए, बी, उनकी कितनी % अटेंडेंस रही है लोकसभा में। सी, उन्होंने कितने जो है, चाहे वो पोषण किट्स हो, चाहे वो सेक्टर के प्रोजेक्ट्स हो, चाहे वो दिशा कमिटीज हो, उन्होंने कितनी होल्ड की है। आई एम सेइंग each one of them has to be compared with my 1 year and their full term, each one of them.
Including BJP MPs?
I think our BJP MP did not have the edge over other very sort of mainstream MPs in the Lok Sabha for asking questions. Because I have an edge over anybody. Like, there are people who do not get a chance for 5 years. So when people see me standing there, do they even understand how many questions? If I put like some 40 questions, I may get one, and that's a big deal. And every time I've got a question, I've raised a tremendous issue, whether it is electrification or the culture or, these calamities, disasters. So in that context, yes, of course, I have an edge over those people who may be coming from like a farming background or not that privileged background. There is no harm in saying that. So I give you that challenge.
पर आपके स्टेट से तो बड़े दिग्गज आते हैं, आपके पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट जेपी नड्डा जी आते हैं, अनुराग
I'm talking about Mandi MP.
Okay.
I'm talking about Mandi MP specifically only for my constituency, not not all of them.
Okay.
As in, so far, I think there's been not too many. Before this, there was Pratibha, who never used her MP led, who never attended the parliament. Very rarely she did. And Raja Saab was, I think, it was doing as a side job. I mean, not the mainstream. He was the CM or something.
पहले सेशन में तो आपकी 100% अटेंडेंस थी, अब थोड़ी अटेंडेंस कम हो गई, 55-58% द लास्ट एडीआर के नंबर्स में देख रही हूँ। बजट सेशन 2025 में आपका 58% था अटेंडेंस। इंटरेस्ट कम हो गया है या दूसरी कमिटमेंट्स हैं?
I have only missed one session. I have complete attendance. Only one session I have missed. It was around February sometime when I was dealing with the post-release of my film, emergency post-production and release and all of that. So that was a commitment. Other than that, I've been very, at it.
So tell me, you were not made a minister. You're an achiever in your own right. कहीं बुरा लगा?
Well, the kind of profile that I come from. Okay, I am a filmmaker. I'm a writer. I'm an author. I also have fourth highest civilian honor. I'm a Padma Bhushan. So in that context, I just felt that I have done a lot for the party, and I've also won a very difficult seat. For like. For a very, it was a very long campaign for me, क्योंकि मेरी voting भी सबसे last phase में थी. So I did expect to get a portfolio. I thought that I should have got, but at the same time, it was not a disappointment as such, because being a first time MP, not many people get. It's not that they don't get. अभी भी हमारे पास ऐसे बहुत first time MPs है जो कि ministers काफी बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत सारे हैं. तो in that context मुझे लगा कि मुझे मिलना चाहिए था, क्योंकि मुझे अपने फील्ड की बहुत अच्छी से जानकारी है और मैंने वुमेन राइट्स के लिए भी बहुत जूझा है, सब है. और मुझे लगता है कि उसमें मैं सहयोग कर सकती हूँ. Besides the kind of background that I come from, it is wonderful to be an MP and it's good to be in the Lok Sabha. Like I said, I have that attitude that I love getting work done. If I'm given a project, I would love to deliver it. As an MP, you are never given a project. You never work on a project, never. You only send letters from here to there, which is a very important job, I must say. But I think at this,
चिट्ठियां लिखने की एक्सपर्ट हो गई होंगी.
चिट्ठियां तो लिखनी पड़ती हैं आपको बहुत सारी चिट्ठियां बहुत सारे मंत्रालयों को लिखनी पड़ती हैं. फिर आपको because that's precisely why you are here for connect, and even if MLAs want to meet ministers, आपको लिखनी पड़ती है. अभी डिजास्टर के मैं सब देख के आई, प्रधानमंत्री जी को लिखी, इनको लिखी. That's about, अब उनको फंड देना, वो अपना सीएम को दे आएंगे. मतलब they are not going to call me.
नाम नहीं आएगा.
Yeah, no, I'm here to connect people, precisely. I think a lot of people don't get that, but I'm here to connect people with center. So it's a very important job, but at this age and stage, I can do a lot more, I feel.
एक बीच में वायरल ये भी हुआ था कि आप प्रधानमंत्री से मिलना चाह रही थी और आपको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिली. उसके बाद मिल गई थी?
Well, it's a very funny thing that everybody keeps asking me.
Because ये कमेंट आपके बहुत कमेंट्स वायरल होते हैं. तो curiosity maybe.
No, the question was that जब प्रधानमंत्री आपसे मिले पहली बार तो उन्होंने आपको क्या कहा?
Okay.
That was the question. I said प्रधानमंत्री मुझे कभी मिले ही नहीं है. He had only that meet and greet in some summit and in some film meet, and only I think twice sometime, and just namaste. That's all we've had. So that was a very shocking thing for everybody that we've never met.
For you?
For me.
कि अकेले मतलब आपने टाइम मांगा नहीं मिला, ऐसा होता है एमपीज के साथ?
Well, I don't think a lot of MPs have met Mr. Prime Minister, but in my case, I think I still have to wait.
But you've sought an appointment?
Yes.
Okay. What have you learnt about the working of the system within the parliament? कोई दोस्त वोस्त बने, friends within the party, outside the party? Because आप कह रहे हैं कि हम MPs के बीच में, तो camaraderie है across party lines. How do you see that?
Yeah, a lot of MPs end up feeling very, frustrated, and we end up always talking to each other. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि others have some privileges, or you just struggle with a lot. You struggle with a lot. You are the connecting link between the state and the center. So you're basically nowhere because you're the connecting link. You are what we call twilight.
मंजिलों पर नहीं.
Yeah. You're not in the state, and when you go to the state, you don't have like one place where you're grounded, or you are connected, or you're doing a project or something. When you come to center, again, you're always queuing outside ministers' offices, and also obviously a lot of MPs also complain about the fact that because even a panchayat has a lot more budget than MPs, and Vidhayaks have a lot more budget than MPs. They don't respect us. They don't respect, and because you have like I said, 10-15 lakh rupees like jaoge in one Vidhan Sabha, they're going to be like, and then it's a job, like I said, it demands a lot of communication, and recently started Disha committee in that direction is a huge step. If we did not have the privilege of asking the deputy commissioner who clearly work under the state government, and if we did not have the power over them, it would be such a redundant place to be in, honestly. It was completely redundant. जैसे कहते हैं ना, कोई उधर कोई नहीं तुमको पूछता था, कोई भी नहीं, because I think that has been recently sort of created because of this frustration that हम लोग का जगह क्या है, हम लोग का काम क्या है, और and what are we supposed to do and where are we supposed to do, because MLAs are very territorial. They're very territorial, and when you come, ministers, they're preoccupied with a lot of business. So you're in the middle of
Floundering.
Yeah, you're floundering.
ये इश्क नहीं आसान, एक आपका दरिया है और डूब के जाना, आप सीख रही हैं ये.
Yeah. So all of this, being a very young person and coming from a industry which thrives on being completely prompt and very advanced and all of that. Even we have a good work culture in film industry also. We we have corporates and we have all of it, and delivery lines, and now a lot of digital.
Politics में वो नहीं होता. Systematic way of working.
It is very systematic behind the scene, but in front of like आपने देखा होगा कि during that disaster, because it was so compelling and it was so heart-wrenching, जो भी मैंने वहां पे देखा. And I'm not that person who's telling me कि हमारे को आप कब घर दिलाएंगे, हमारे को इन लोगों को
पर आप
कब
बहुत
घर.
देर से गई, इस पर भी बहुत सवाल उठे थे.
See, मैं बिल्कुल देर से नहीं थी. मैं बिल्कुल देर से नहीं थी. Just because somebody is making this propaganda, just because somebody is feeding this information to people.
Who's this? Who's deliberately?
Opposition. मैं बिल्कुल लेट नहीं थी. How can you say I was late? अगर कहीं भी किसी भी जगह में डिजास्टर हो रहा है, उसके 3 दिन में आप वहां पहुंचते हैं. वो डिजास्टर इज टेकिंग प्लेस देयर. एंड मीडिया इज लाइक, नहीं लेकिन आप जिस दिन डिजास्टर हो रहा था उसी दिन क्यों नहीं पहुंचे? अरे भाई, उस दिन तो डिजास्टर हो रहा था ना, उस दिन तो डिजास्टर हो रहा था, लेकिन उसी दिन क्यों नहीं पहुंचे? उसी दिन आपको पहुंचना था. एंड you realize that they're not asking the chief minister of the state this question, who's actually उनका मंत्रालय है वो disaster and relief, उनका खुद का वो ministry है. So what happens is that this misplaced, misguided emotion is that what happens is जो लोगों को मिलना चाहिए वक्त पे नहीं मिलता है. तो मैं तो वहां पहुंच गई, लेकिन जब मैंने वहां बोला कि मेरा ये डिपार्टमेंट नहीं है, तो एटलीस्ट उन्होंने उसको तो बुलाया जिसका वो डिपार्टमेंट है. Then he came after 6 days, the CM, जिसका वो डिपार्टमेंट है. Because I said it, I got a lot of flack कि इसने ऐसा क्यों बोला कि मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है. Because I come from that generation of people, we like to deliver. All right, if this is not my scope of work, I'm going to tell you on your face. This is not my scope of work. I wish it was. I will do it like this. All right. So I come from that state of mind. I am not that person. हो जाएगा. Don't worry. I am here now. No, I am not that person. I can't do acting. I can't.
You can do acting.
I can't do acting if I don't get paid. You've got to pay me.
Okay.
Then only I act. All right. So this is the thing. So I am very sure that I am not going to take blame, right? Then at that time it may feel कि अरे इसने तो बोला ये मेरा काम नहीं है, आपको बुरा लगेगा. लेकिन फिर आपने सोचा तो किसका काम है? फिर आपने खोजबीन तो की. चलो मेरे को आपको बलि का बकरा बनाना है, बना लो, लेकिन वो बंदा पहुंचा तो वहां पे 4 दिन के बाद, because I said this is not my department. तो ये बात को देखो, आपको एजुकेट लोगों को करना पड़ेगा. सो फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा मुझे मेरी पार्टी में भी कहा जाता है कि बस हाँ बोलो, आप लोगों को ये सब मत बोलो कि आप नहीं कर सकते.
कौन बोलता है ये सब? ट्रेनिंग होती है?
नो, MLAs बोलते हैं कि आप लोगों को मत बोलिए कि ये आपका काम नहीं है, ये राज्यसभा, बस ले लो ना लेटर, आप लेते रहो बस. आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दैट.
सच बोलना आसान नहीं होता ना पॉलिटिक्स में.
I mean, I am not comfortable with that. वो बंदी मेरे को देख के गई है और उसकी आंखों में वो होप थी कंगना करवाएगी. मैं उसको बोलती हूँ, मैंने कहा ये मेरा काम नहीं है, आप प्लीज बजाय. मैं उनको अपनी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भेजती, इनको आप सही जगह पे लेके जाइए, वो काम करवाइए. मुझसे जो होता है मैं करती हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम.
तो आप क्विंटेसेंशियल पॉलिटिशियन नहीं बन पा रही हैं, मतलब जो इतने अपफ्रंट और सच बोलते हैं, शायद वो.
No, what is a quintessential politician? A quintessential politician is
जो सबको बोलते हैं हाँ हो जाएगा, लेकिन करते कुछ नहीं है.
No, they are बेकार people. They are liars. They are liars. I think a genuine person चाहे आप एक्टिंग करें, चाहे आप डायरेक्शन करें, चाहे आप लोगों के पास उनके काम करने के लिए जाएं, इफ यू आर अ जेन्युइन पर्सन, इफ यू आर एन ऑथेंटिक पर्सन, सूनर और लेटर पीपल विल रिकग्नाइज दैट. शुरू शुरू में सबने क्या बोला, कंगना तो ऐसे बोलती है, सब अपने सब सच सच बताती है. बाद में दे फिगर्ड दैट नो, शी इज एन ऑथेंटिक पर्सन. So she's saying this, there must be some weightage to this. अभी लोगों को लगता है कि मैंने वहां बोला ये मेरा काम नहीं, जिसका है उसको पकड़ो आप जाके, तो उस टाइम पे उनको बुरा लगा, हर्ट हुआ. धीरे धीरे दे विल रिकग्नाइज कि ये लड़की सच बोलती है, and then they will have respect for me. Right now I have to take the brick bats, and I think I am a very good politician.
Because you are taking the brick bat.
I am taking the brick bats because I also am very sure that sooner or later maybe I may seem कि अभी मुझे काफी opposition मिल रहा है और brick bats मिल रहे हैं, but if I am going to be authentic, if I am going to be honest, if I
does your party value you?
Does my party value me? What is valuing? I don't understand. Like I'm like,
you know what I mean by valuing. कि कंगना है, काम कर रही है, जा रही है, सपोर्ट सिस्टम है कि नहीं है. हर टीम में एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम होता है ना, हर इंडिविजुअल के.
If I were in the place of my seniors, my superiors, I would do exactly. I would keep every young leader the way I am kept.
Which is how?
Just they are just letting me do my thing. They're just letting me do my thing.
Do you feel lost?
I don't feel lost.
Sometimes, some issues you wish there was someone who could explain this to you on how to get around it. ऐसा
That is always there. That is always there. When I was on film industry sets, I've when I was small, I made so many mistakes, and I've done so many stupid things. I didn't even know anything about discipline or reporting to work or anything about working. I don't think my family ever knew there is a concept like a child going to work. They didn't prepare me for that. Even here, when I meet people who have even Congress, I have friends who have like family backgrounds from
Congress.
Your
grandfather
and all of
was
that.
in the Congress.
Yeah, but I also have friends who have parent as minister or things like that. The way they approach politics, they have been completely taught what to do, when to do, how to do, and they were also prepared for their roles, that what role they are taking up. Whereas I took a lot of time to understand that my role is about writing letters. Just stick to that.
Frustrating sometimes.
Absolutely. Absolutely frustrating. And also because it's a very, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि politics, it's a very expensive hobby. It's a very expensive hobby. Like of course they give you some money.
Politics is a hobby.
Obviously.
Not a profession.
If you are an MP, you can't have it as a profession because you need a job. You need a job. You can't. If you're an honest person, if you're not trying to do some, you need.
सब हेरा-फेरी करते हैं.
Look, I'm not here to make a judgment on anybody, but what I've experienced and the way I functioned, I come from a very successful career as an artist, and I understand that जो भी आपको यहाँ पे salary मिलता है to maintain cook and driver and so what you are left with is actually 50,000-60,000 rupees is your salary as an MP. And if I have to go to my constituency with some representation here and some PAs from here, some 3-4 cars, the expenses are in lakhs because one place from other is 300-400 kilometers minimum. So you understand that it is a very expensive hobby. You have to, you need a job. So struggling between your job and trying to meet the expectations of people and the party, it is a lot of work. Either you get you get streamlined into it, you get like a serious sort of position, because a lot of MPs have businesses, they're working as lawyers, and they are not, even the people like who have come before me, Javed Akhtar ji, they kept doing their work. You've got to work. You can't
What do you think about the recent developments, Operation Sindoor? And then there comes a film by Diljit Dosanjh, Sardar 3, and he works with a Pakistani actor. What's your view on that?
Operation Sindoor has been a remarkable victory for India. First of all, I think that has been.
But लोग कहते हैं कि ट्रम्प ने सब कुछ कराया.
It's been tremendous on our part, on India's part, on our leadership's part. You know, the way they've led us through this. And जो भी हर एक का एक अपना वो होता है, एक अपना पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. बट आई पर्सनली लाइक एवरी अदर इंडियन, आई सी इट एज ये बहुत बड़ा एक काम हुआ है जो पूरे वर्ल्ड में हमने एक अपना सिक्का मनवाया, लोहा मनवाया है कि यू कैन मेस विद अस.
ट्रम्प ने है, दैट्स व्हाट राहुल गांधी सेज. नरेंद्र सरेंडर.
तो ऑपोजिशन को किस ना किस तरह का जुमला तो चाहिए. सो आई पर्सनली फील दैट nobody is buying into that. Trump जो भी है, I mean, I've also been a big supporter of Trump earlier, but the way he's going now, I personally feel that he has just messed up in so many places, even in his own country. So whether he's talking about Israel or Palestine, or whether he's talking about Iran, or so I personally feel that he is trying to take credit for a lot of wars where he can get the Nobel Prize. That's what people understand from it. That's his strategy. Maybe he wants a Nobel Prize. He doesn't need anybody's permission for that. He can, like Obama, he can give one to himself. But we can't take away from how our army led us. We can't take away from how our leadership led us. And there's a lot to take away from this also. That in the times of, in such times where the world is almost clashing, it's like a World War III that we were in the midst of. How important it is to have a strong leadership, who has only national interest in mind, जो कि कोई इंटरनेशनल खिलौना ना हो इंटरनेशनल ताकतों के हाथ में. ये हमें सिखाती है ये दौर.
और उसके बीच में एक इंडियन अगर पाकिस्तानी एक्टर के साथ काम करे, is that kosher?
I've said enough about these people, जो कि एक, अगर आपको याद हो मेरी कॉन्वर्सेशन आपके साथ जहां पे शुरू हुई थी, that we need to have the sentiment of nation building. Everybody is a stakeholder. Why don't we have that sentiment? Why one Diljit is having his own path? Why somebody else is having his path? Cricketers are having their own dosti. Somebody is having this. Bichara Sainik is having the path of nationalism. Bichara politician is having the path of nationalism. Some JNU having their own agenda. Somebody is having their. I'm not saying it is unnatural, but we must try to align everybody. We must try to align, and वो तभी होगा जब हम ये लोगों में ये धारणा लाएंगे कि भाई सिर्फ पॉलिटिशियंस का काम नहीं है देशभक्ति, आपका भी काम है. So that's what I said. Now when you only come for money to politicians, you come for national building. ना आपकी क्या सोच है? कैसे हम आप इस गांव में रहते हैं, इस पंचायत में रहते हैं, कैसे हम इसको 0% प्लास्टिक बनाएं? कैसे हम यहाँ की बेटियों को और सुरक्षा दें? इसमें ऐसा क्या होना चाहिए? नृत्य संगीत को लेकर हम लोग कैसे करें? या किस तरह की एक पॉलिसी आनी चाहिए जिस तरह से एक कोई सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप संगठित होता है? ये थिंकिंग विचार मेरे पास क्यों नहीं आते किसी जगह से? ये मुझे सोच के थोड़ा दुख होता है कि सिर्फ और मुझे कि सब एमपीज को ये इस तरह के विचार भी आने चाहिए या लोग जो हैं वो अपने देशभक्ति दिखाने के लिए जो हैं, चाहे बच्चे जो इकट्ठे होके चाहे तालाब साफ कर रहे हैं, चाहे सोइल को सेव कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों को उनको भी तो अर्ज करना चाहिए ना टू पार्टिसिपेट इन नेशन बिल्डिंग। अदरवाइज जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी हमेशा कहते हैं कि आप करेंगे और मैं आपकी सहायता करूंगा। दिस इज व्हाट हैज गॉट मी इनटू पॉलिटिक्स. That was my programming. I saw Prime Minister and like me, many young leaders. BJP to pehle bhi thi. You know, it did not mean anything. I never thought I'll leave my career and I'll become a politician. But when he said that they will do it and will support, I said that sounds good. Somewhere when you're on ground, the ground reality is different. I think we need more nationalism on the ground. We need more nation building intention.
What do you
then
think
seva.
about socialist and secular? ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के प्रियम्बल में होने चाहिए या हट जाने
चाहिए? क्यों? पूरी तरीके से हट जाने चाहिए।
क्यों? तो ये सोशलिस्ट है, सबको ऊपर उठाना,
ऊपर उठाना कहाँ है? नो सोशलिस्ट ऊपर उठाना कहाँ है सबको? सोशलिस्ट है ये है कि तुम्हारी चीज लेके उसको दे देनी। ऊपर उठाना कहाँ हुआ? तुम्हारी चीज लेके उसको दे दी
तो इनइक्वालिटीज रहे, वो सही है सोसाइटी के लिए।
यू एम्पावर पीपल ना। देखिए नविका जी, यू पुटिंग मी थ्रू वेरी लाइक यू नो controversial issues, but essentially let me put you in a very rudimentary way. Since the world has started to believe that we are all equal, you know, we have only produced a generation of morons. I am not equal to you. You have so much more experience in this field. You're not equal to me when it comes to art. I am not equal to my mother. I am not equal to Ambani ji, who's dedicated his life to. He is not equal to me because I have got 4 national awards. Everybody is different. And we can learn from everybody. When I am sitting with a majdoor, I try to say that this person has so much more tolerance than me. I am not equal to that person. Nobody is equal to a child in a family. Even the woman equality is sometimes becoming, oh, in the family, you know, nobody can tell me what to do. A child is not equal to the woman. A woman is not equal to the man. A man is not equal to the elderly person in the family. We all have different roles, and we're all, you know, we're all different. So the concept of equality is giving us a generation of morons who actually believe they're born perfect. They know everything. They don't even have any admiration for their bosses, who may have 25 years more experience in the same field. And the result is the generation of idiots who don't even want promotion because they don't want more work.
And secular? What's your objection to that word?
Secular has a lot of definition. The more the one that does the round usually is the one that मैं यहाँ का खाऊंगा और पाकिस्तान का वफादारी करूंगा. That is the most acceptable definition of secularism. But essentially, that is not what it is. Essentially, if you're a Hindu, you are very welcoming of everyone. But when it comes to the national interest should be the same. That this is a Hindu Rashtra, and like every
Hindu Rashtra, what will happen to the other religions that exist in this country?
No, I mean everybody needs an identity. No, everybody needs an identity. I have an identity. I have a kul, I have a gotra, I have an identity, I have a name, I have a parent, I have a pata, I have an Aadhaar card. I have an Aadhaar card, but that doesn't mean that it restricts me in any way to engage, interact, to even welcome. But
then you make it a Hindu Rashtra, then a Sikh will be limited, a Muslim will be limited.
It is already a Hindu Rashtra. It is already a Hindu Rashtra. Look, this land is much more ancient than all the religions that you've named. All right, this land has a history of thousands of years before any of these religions came into existence. You cannot take that away from this land. You must give it to this land. This is the land of Varanasi, where we have like prehistoric, आदिकाल, अनंत, सनातन, जिसकी ना कोई आरंभ है ना जिसका कोई अंत है, ये वो सनातन का ये धरती है। इतने सारे कितने सारे देश हैं दुनिया में, यहाँ पे जो है सनातन का जन्म हुआ, और ये आदिकाल से चली आ रही है धरती, हजारों साल का इसका इतिहास है। यू कैन नॉट टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम भारत।
Well, so then I want to ask you, and I want to do a rapid fire round. You remember last time भी हमने किया था fun round.
आजादी।
just because you are an MP doesn't mean you have to be serious all the time. So let's have a fun round. Acting or politics? Career preference क्या है कंगना का?
फिल्म मेकिंग।
तो politics रास नहीं आया।
Well, career politics right now is something that can't be my mainstream thing. I have to feed my, I have to run my house. I have to, look, I need a job.
Which is less forgiving, film industry or politics?
Less forgiving. I think, I think film industry is less forgiving. Yeah, but they have very small, what I see from people in politics, not from my experience, but I see सब घोटाला करके फिर से जीतते रहते हैं. They have very short span of memory. You see now in Bihar also how much घोटाला charges, how much hate, how many jail years and सब कुछ फिर वापस. They're quite forgiving. Whereas in film industry, once you flopped, some people have managed to make a comeback.
People ask me to use my money. ये आपने कहा था. True? लोग आपको अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता.
Look, it was just in a light-hearted moment where people come to me and they're like, हमें पैसों की जरूरत है, and I'm like, look, हम MP लैड में आपको ये नहीं दे सकते, and they go like, आप ही मदद कर दो ना, आपके पास तो बहुत पैसे हैं. And you're like, I wish.
Is Kangana eyeing a cabinet position anytime soon?
Eyeing, as in everybody wants to grow. If I get into definitive direction into politics, I would want to be a politician, a full-time politician. So it won't be very wrong to say that I want to grow into this field.
Arvind Kejriwal says he deserves a Nobel Prize. What do you think about that?
Nobel Prize.
For providing governance with so much opposition from the BJP, from the LG.
Really, he said that?
He said that.
I have nothing to say that. It's a competition between Trump and Kejriwal.
Do you think Prime Minister Modi should get?
Of course he should get. He should totally get. Living in such a volatile country where we are surrounded by so many hostile neighbors, and then we have so much diversity, and then for him to reset so many of areas of Kashmir or Arunachal and all of that, it's not easy to be the Prime Minister of India right now, and it has never been, but more so right now. But with the kind of efficiency, stability and consistency that he has done, he for sure deserves Nobel Prize.
What is the one thing about Indian politics that you would want to change?
They're not very accessible. Like people are not accessible. In the film industry, we can call anybody. Maybe I was in that position, but even then, it was never impossible to reach out to anyone. It gets very difficult to reach out to people here because the protocols are such that you can't.
And what is the one misconception about Kangana Ranaut that you would want to change?
Oh, misconception, जो भी हमारे जो opposition वाले बात फैला रहे हैं कि मैं गायब हूँ. हमारे हिमाचल में कहावत है, किन्नौर से भरमौर. मतलब it is like Kinnauр to Bharmor. मतलब the two impossible locations जो poles apart के लिए हमें कहावत बोलते हैं. So they both are in my constituency and Lohal and Spiti. तो ये जो सब भ्रमित किया जा रहा है कि I am not in the constituency and I am not doing work. I have a list of work which मैंने जो इतना सांसद निधि already बांटा है. I have even gone to Bharmor जहाँ आज तक कभी कोई MP नहीं गया. I've launched projects, central project in लाहौल स्पीति, जहां तक कभी किसी ने 100 करोड़ 150 करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट नहीं लेके आया। मेरी दिशा कमिटीज की मीटिंग्स बहुत रेगुलर है। मैंने महिलाओं के लिए वहां पोषण से लेकर जो है चाहे फिर वो सोलर लाइट्स के काम हो, मैंने जितना काम ये लिमिटेड 1 साल में किया है उतना किसी भी एमपी ने अपनी फुल टर्म में वहां पे नहीं किया। ये मैं चैलेंज करती हूँ। तो ये जो भ्रम फैलाया जा रहा है, एंड लाइक यू सेड, it is the most abused place to be in, it is the most devalued place to be in। आप एक फिल्म करते हैं, आपको लोग कहते हैं आपने अच्छा किया, but nobody ever comes to you and does and says कि you know you're doing well। So I think I would want to change that, and people essentially should not forget, if they want good people in politics, if they want people who are efficient and competent, they must know that these people are also wanted everywhere else, and they choose to volunteer for this। They are not going to take so much abuse, and they are not going to take so much of harassment, like जब फ्लड हो रहा है तो उसी दिन पहुंचो, you know, उसी दिन क्यों नहीं पहुंचे। I am there, my substitutes are there, I am there within 3 days, I am getting with 2000 crore का पैकेज नड्डा जी ने कल भेजा। I have written to the Prime Minister, I am waiting to meet Home Minister ji tomorrow। So I am doing so much, you know, so much nobody has done before। So I'm not saying that I am
you'd like to reduce the abuse quotient,
abuse and the kind of harshness। if that's going to continue, I will not be a part of this, because like I said, if you want competent people,
मतलब 5 साल आप पूरा नहीं करेंगे?
No, if you want no, if I'm going to get abused and if I'm going to get harassed, I'm not going to continue, you know, because let me tell you, Nitika ji, we want more young people to come into this line, and people also need to have productive relationship with politicians। You know, there was also this interview going around where I said I don't want to, you know, I don't know why I was asked a random question, if you want to be a prime minister. I said no, because I don't think he's appreciated enough. You know, I don't think he's appreciated enough। It's heartbreaking,
thankless job।
It's a thankless job, you know। So nobody has said this, but I would love to say that if it continues to be so
but
thankless,
it's different from films, na? Films में तालियां बजती हैं, अच्छी फिल्म हो।
oh, you're well paid, people are bowing down
तो
to
जब आप
you।
आई थी तो आपको ये पता होगा कि politics is a different cup of tea, coffee, whatever you like।
No, I know politics is different, but having said that, one must know one's scope of work, you know, and within that उनको वो देखना चाहिए कि are they doing good within their scope of work or not, as opposed to the everything else, you know, what the state government supposed to do।
दुखी आत्मा तो निजात मांग रही है कि जो कुछ हो रहा है भाई कोई तो हमारा एड्रेस कर दे, सुन कौन रहा है उनकी। अब आप कह रहे हैं स्कोप ऑफ वर्क, वो बेचारा अनपढ़ आदमी जिसके घर के सामने की सड़क टूटी है, जिसकी नाली टूटी है, जिसके पास घर में पानी भर गया है, बच्चों को खाना नहीं खिला सकता, वो स्कोप ऑफ वर्क थोड़ी देखेगा।
नो, ऑफ कोर्स उनको सब ऐसा नहीं है, सबको पता होता है कब पंचायत के पास जाना है, सबको पता होता है कौन सा काम डीसी के पास जाना है, कौन सा काम एमएलए के पास जाना है, ये सबको पता होता है। इट्स जस्ट दैट व्हेन द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स आर फेलिंग, इट बिकम्स इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट। It gets very difficult for the overwhelming suffering of people, and when you have—
So are you saying because the opposition party is ruling the state where you come from, your job is more difficult than probably it would have been in a state?
Yes, I've said it from the beginning of our interview, that the overwhelming suffering of people because of the failing of state government is— I can't take all of that. I can't take the onus of that. Why should I? Why should I take the onus for that? Why should
they chose you? They thought कि आपके पास कोई जादू की छड़ी होगी।
I mean, look, see, we can always, you know, go on talking about that, discussing this, but at the same time, I think that accountability to concerned departments is important, and more important than that is to also appreciate people who have been, like Mandi, like I said, because the जितना मैंने पार्लियामेंट में प्रश्न उठाए हैं, जितना मंडी पे हाईलाइट, मंडी के एक गांव में जहां पे थुनार, उसका नाम पूरे देश को आ गया। मुझे मैसेज आ रहे हैं कि कैसा सब। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम नॉट देयर इन दैट कैपेसिटी, बट ऐसा भी नहीं है कि यू नो आई एम ओके टू गेट अब्यूज्ड ऑल द टाइम।
अच्छी चीजें भी नोटिस करनी चाहिए। अगर ब्रिक बैट्स
अगर
है तो
आपको चाहिए सेल्फलेस ईमानदार लोग पॉलिटिक्स में, सेल्फलेस कंस्ट्रक्टिव कॉम्पिटेंट एंड ईमानदार लोग पॉलिटिक्स में अगर आपको चाहिए तो, क्योंकि दे कैन गो एनीवेयर and they will make a very successful story wherever they go. But having said that, in politics I think मैं बहुत ज्यादा यंगस्टर्स को encourage करूंगी। मैं चाहूंगी कि आगे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोग भी आए हमारे पास, लेकिन we need to value politicians.
Last question. You always stood against nepotism in the film industry. Is there nepotism in politics?
In our party, no, I don't think. In our party, there is no nepotism. भारतीय जनता पार्टी में कोई नेपोटिज्म नहीं है। यहाँ पे बहुत ही जो भी जिनको भी मैं जो मिलती हूँ और जिस तरह से भी लोगों को मैं मिलती हूँ, आई एम शॉक्ड टू सी देयर backgrounds, you know, it's really heartwarming to see मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में एमएलएज हैं जिनके पिताजी इलेक्ट्रिशियन हुआ करते थे, कोई किसान हुआ करते थे। हमारे जो खुद नेता प्रतिपक्ष हैं जयराम ठाकुर जी, बर्फ में नंगे पैर स्कूल जाया करते थे, जूते नहीं होते थे उनके पास। ऐसे इंसान का चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना, क्या लगता है आपको कौन सी पार्टी कर सकती थी ऐसा? कोई, मतलब उनके लोहार हुआ करते थे उनके पिताजी। तो ये जो काम है सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर सकती है, और इसलिए वी टेक सो मच प्राइड इन आवर पार्टी, यू नो।
राहुल गांधी के बारे में कुछ आपका इंप्रेशन चेंज हुआ?
ओह गॉड।
अच्छा, 1 year में what's the impression? He's the LOP. What's your impression of Rahul Gandhi?
You know what? If I have to say what I feel, it will be so harsh. It will be so harsh. I don't want to be that harsh because now.
पर आप तो सच बोलती हैं, तो सच बोलिए ना।
Before, I have to face him in the parliament. Unlike before, I have to now.
पर आप सच बोलने वाली हैं, तो सच बोलिए।
I think सच्चाई यही होगी, and he's totally, I mean, in our favor, because as long as he's there, you know, he will always be in the opposition. He will always be in the opposition. Having said that, for the sheer, you know, जो हमारे जो नेता हैं, प्रधानमंत्री जो हैं, जो इनका ऑरा है, जो उनका पुरुषार्थ है, जो उनका पराक्रम है, वो for the sake of that, I think he deserves a better opponent.
He deserves a better opponent. Well, on that note, as they say, देखेंगे आगे आगे क्या होता है। First anniversary as a member of parliament. Thank you very much, Kangana Ranaut, and looking forward to more realistic conversations with you in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining me on Frankly Speaking.